Phase 1 of CNC's Bridging Learning Teaching Capital campaign has finally been completed, and the new connecting pedestrian bridge and river boardwalk are open for all to enjoy. After nearly 50 years of use and the treading of thousands of exploring feet, CNC's 2,000-foot river boardwalk has been restored. The updated boardwalk includes a river house and lean-to for educational programming, as well as an improved canoe launch point. Our new boardwalk provides a scenic backdrop where people can feel inspired by the beautiful landscape around them. It also provides the perfect setting for students of all ages to learn about the fascinating wildlife and wetlands of Metro Atlanta. Our extremely generous donors helped make this dream a reality and will forever change the center and the ways that we connect people with nature.